All right, here I am at another Hoarder slash Homestead auction. First thing that will come up here is this New Holland tractor, the cab on it.
They think.
Not really fond of cabs. It does have AC and stuff like that, but it really kind of makes it top heavy. There's a lot of farmers around here, ranchers talking. Plus, it's smaller than my Kubota, so I'm gonna move on.
Oh, you want to
All right, the Gravely's pretty nice. Not really sure I'm nice enough to replace my UTV, but that dump bed's huge. And it's fuel injected. It's pretty nice. Probably gonna go for way too much. Oh, I got a buddy that likes those. 8N. And then we got a bunch of implements here that I'm really interested in. Some fairly new stuff. Bomgars. Got a variety of lawnmowers here. Nothing really nice. And this is just the equipment. There's a shop, there's a house, there's a yard. There's a bunch of cattle panels and stuff. Would be bad for the homestead. Some water tanks, some posts. It's gonna be hot today. It's already 80 with like 80% humidity. Once that sun comes out, it's gonna get real nasty. So I thought I'd jump in here real quick. This is a auction that had some really nice stuff. The stuff that I was interested, I just felt like it was going to go way too high for my pocketbook. So I didn't actually end up sticking around, but you can get an idea of what was there. Like I said on my previous video, if you didn't see that one, check it out. But I'm always looking for the small stuff. Nuts, bolts, oil, sprays, diesel, you name it. Stuff that nickel and dimes you if you live out in the country and you got to go and drive back in town. So I like to have all that stuff on hand. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I don't know if they'll sell it. I mean, it's a cob bend, but they put like this little trellis in front. It's kind of neat. Firewood stacks. Probably light duty. Yeah, not really interested in that. I'll just make some casters. Of course, the usual yard stuff. Insulation. I'm not really seeing anything I really want yet. I haven't gone in the shop. Oh, it's a propane heater. It's kind of cool. I don't know what I'd use it for. Oh, okay. So here's a bunch of starting fluid, carburetor cleaner, oil, looks like bar and chain oil, transmission fluid, weed killer. That's always good to get. That's a huge window air. I've been running my window air, that's 20 amp at least, off of solar panels, trying to save some money on the electric bill. And it's working. All right, let's see. Oh, that's actually cat litter. Oh, I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, nothing worth the darn. That AC would require some wiring from me, so I'm gonna pass. Little lift. Bunch of cogs and gears, and oh, probably a machinist or just a regular farmer. All right, going in the shop now. Big air compressor. Don't need that. That would be cool. Old Delta. I got an old mill. There's a little bit newer mill. So definitely a machinist. This stuff's gonna go for high dollar. And I don't really buy this stuff at auctions. You get in a bidding war and people really want it. And then you get carried away. Surfacer. Hardness tester. Yeah, some cheaper woodworking tools. Oh, that Miller welder's pretty nice. Comes with the tank. I've got that Lincoln, almost same one. Stick welder. A torch set. My buddy's been saying he's gonna get me one, but yeah, I mean, some okay stuff here. I'm not sure I'm gonna stick around for it though. It's a big generator. 15,000. Yep, running watts. 22,000 starting watts. Bunch of stuff over here. Welding table. I was gonna say that's a thick one, but they just doubled it up. I always like these antique stoves. If I had a little cabin, I would definitely have something like that in there. And these are in primo condition too. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Never seen one like that. Got a griddle up here. And most likely those are set up to run off propane. We're out in the country. Oh, here's a little shop cabinet here. Yeah, so it's just a bunch of round stock. They probably use in those lathes and mills. And here's a bunch of metal. So here's the trailer, the infamous trailer. They always start with the trailer, so let's see what they have on here.
How much you can get her? Remember, the truck's only 3/4 ton.
Right.
So if you get more than that.
Did you see that washing?
Oh, yeah.
That's what I worked my clothes on, that much in the basement where I
I know at least one of those stoves in there has been converted for propane. I don't know. Yeah, I like that old wash tub too.
That's one side. A crab apple tree here.
Yeah.
In the press, into the running water, and then you run it into the blue water, and then you bring it out into the dry it, hang it out down the big jam line.
I'm gonna send that to
Pipe
the wife and
clamps,
say,
smaller
got her a new
stuff.
washing machine, and we can have a blue
Starter
washing
for
machine.
something.
Happy birthday, babe.
So as I'm walking around this trailer, just wanted to say there was some nice stuff on this auction. The owner definitely took care of his stuff, and I hope he got great prices. You see this a lot with retirees. They have a kind of an outgoing into retirement type of auction, and you know, the nicer the stuff, the bigger prices that they get. So I think he's going to do well. There just wasn't enough here to kind of catch my attention and make me want to stay around. And what was there, like I said, was just too pricey for my pocketbook. But it's always interesting just to see, you know, what everybody's into. A lot of us are like-minded, have a lot of the same hobbies. Just some of us are just starting, some of us are in between, some of us are at the end of our career. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching. Take care.